How to use StrymTV for football. Step 1. Download and install StrymTV from the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. This app is not available on Android, so make sure that you are signing or using your iOS device. Step 2. Once installed, open the app and tap on the plus button on the upper left corner, and then tap the plus button on the lower left corner and then paste the M3U playlist link. Step 3. If you don't have the link yet, go online and search for the StrymTV Football M3U links for 2025 and copy a working link from the trusted sources or community group. Step 4. After having the link, you can now paste it here and then box it and tap done. And then the football channels will automatically load in your StrymTV. Step 5. Choose your match from the list like Premier League, La Liga, or any live event. And then tap to start streaming. Step 6. You can also favorite your preferred channels for faster access during upcoming matches. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.